In today's video, I'll teach you how to delete Komoot account. First of all, launch open Komoot application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to delete your account, you'll have to go to your profile interface. For that, tap on the profile icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the profile interface. You'll be able to see your profile information over here. What you have to do is go to settings, tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to access the settings over here. In the section for account at second, you'll be able to find this option for profile information. Tap on it. Now in the profile information interface, you'll be able to find various options. What you have to do is scroll down. At bottom, you'll be able to find this option for delete account. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be redirected to the browser. Make sure you're logged into your browser too. If not, you'll be prompted to log into your account. Simply enter your credentials and log into your account. Now you'll be able to delete the account. All you have to do is enter your password over here. Tap on the field of password. Now make sure to enter the correct password over here. After you do that, what you have to do is tap on this option, delete account, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your account has been deleted. So like this you'll be able to delete it. So that is how you delete Komoot account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.